Welcome to our guide on the top 5 platforms that can help you monetize your content in 2025. Whether you're a budding creator or a seasoned influencer, there's a platform suited for your needs. Let's explore the key trends that are revolutionizing content monetization, including increased engagement, subscription models, and cross-platform synergy. Starting with YouTube, an established giant that's constantly evolving its features to offer new revenue streams. From ad revenue to memberships, discover how to maximize your earnings. Next, we have Patreon, a platform designed around subscription models. It empowers creators with tools to build direct relationships with their audience while generating steady income. With TikTok rapidly growing, its in-app monetization tools and brand partnerships are essential for creators looking to tap into vast audiences in creative ways. Substack allows creators to monetize through newsletters, providing a direct income stream by offering exclusive content to subscribers eager for unique insights. Finally, Twitch, where live streaming meets audience engagement. It's an interactive platform perfect for creators looking to connect with their followers in real time. Let's compare these platforms and uncover how each provides distinct features and varying monetization potential, helping you make informed choices. In conclusion, choosing the right platform for your content is crucial for your success. Evaluate your strengths, target audience, and content type to select a fitting monetization strategy.